Okay, so this is hopefully going to help those who decide they want to create a video lecture for your online courses. Pretty much I've already done this particular video, but if you decide that you want to, you open up your PowerPoint slides, and more or less what you do is you'll go to slideshow here and you'll click on record slideshow. Okay, and what'll happen is you can't see it here because I'm currently recording this tutorial, but these icons here will allow you to be able to do video and do your recording. If you only wanted to do audio, for example, and you didn't want your face to show, then you would just simply click on the audio, which this is already highlighted because I'm currently recording a tutorial in another program. But what you can do is click on your video camera, and it'll provide you with a little small picture similar to like this what I have. So I'm going to come out of that. So now when you go to save, you want to make sure, of course, you save your PowerPoint with your slides all completed. I stop and I take time to readjust the PowerPoint because sometimes your tapings will cover your content, so you're going to want to adjust those first. Then you can save it. Once you're finished with that, click on File. You're going to want to go to Export. In Export, you'll choose Create a Video, and here is where you'll be able to choose the file size. I use the 720p. It does great. You'll see the picture fine. Using the other ones like Ultra HD, it's going to give you the largest file size, but it's also going to take the longest time in order to download what you've done. So HD is pretty good. And once you've chosen that, I usually leave use recorded time as the narrations. Basically, as you get to learn and do the video lecture, you'll see and be able to time out how you would want to see it. And then you could just click create video. I've already done that, so I'm going to come out of that. And what you'll do is, I've already downloaded the process, so but you will create a YouTube channel, and you would want to click on create. It'll ask you to upload the video. Here you would select your file, or you could just drag and drop, but click on select the file and you'll be able to go to excuse me, you'll be able to go to your particular file that you have and look it up, which I'm not going to do that. I'm going to stop. Actually, well, let me see if I can find another file to do, because I do want to show you how it will go through. Yeah, it's on OneDrive, so fortunately I have two versions of all my courses so that I don't lose anything. But when I save my videos, I save it to my computer, so here we go. This is the current file. So you would do this, and more or less what'll happen next is you would put the title. You have to provide a description. I'm not gonna do, let me just say first video, just to show you. You have to put something there. It's important to create playlists. I think it's real important for you to do that. So since you don't have any here, you would go create a new playlist. Since I already have one, I'll just click on psychometrics and click done. You'll come down, it's going to ask about audience, and this is really important. If you don't put this in, they will not publish your video. Excuse me. So you say not made for kids. You'll click on next, but before you do, you can see that they already have a link for you. So you'll click next. You can skip this page Then you make it public and then just save. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to cancel that. So let me go ahead and just cancel here really fast. Cancel that upload because I already have it. But what you'll find you do here, see this video was 24 minutes. That's too large for Canvas. So you click on there, you would click get shareable link. You'll then go to excuse me, you'll go into Canvas. I was already on a page, but click on your modules, and what you'll want to do is be able to create a module, and I have one already made called media resources, where I have it say a video lecture. That's one I had did. And but you would just click on the plus sign, and what I recommend is when you're uploading your PowerPoint video lectures, do not use file, because it will have your students having to download the file rather than show the video. Instead, you'll create a page, and that'll allow you to set it up on a page. So I already made a page, so we'll go back to it. And once your video is processed, you'll be able to put it right here. But you'll click on edit, and what you would click on to embed your video would be here to insert media, and you would just click control and the letter V as in Victor, and there's your YouTube video. I changed the constraints to 760, which allows it to be a little bit larger. If you know you only have about 10 or 15 minutes of a recording of your PowerPoint, you don't really have to use YouTube. You can come here to this where you can record and upload media here. You would click on the upload, and then you would select your video file. This way it allows you to upload, but just remember, if your video goes to over 15 minutes, it will sit and make you wait, and then finally say that your file is too large. So pretty much once you do that, you click save. I'm going to hold mine off because I have other things I want to do as far as like for assignments. I want to add an assignment to my lecture so that the students will be able to work from that. So that's pretty much how you would do the video. If anybody have questions, do feel free to send an email. I'll be happy to answer it if I can.